Stay, stay with me tonight. Don't let the silence fall. Your shadow on the wall feels like a dream I never wanna lose. I've been waiting for a love that feels like home, and now you're standing here. I don't wanna be alone. Your eyes are like the moonlight dancing on the sea. Every time you look at me, you bring me back to life. We don't need a promise what tomorrow's gonna be. Just hold me a little closer. Stay with me tonight. Stay until sunrise. Don't say goodbye. Let the stars disappear while your heart is next to mine. Stay until sunrise. Just you and I. If this night is all we have, then let me love you one more time. The city lights are fading, but your touch is still alive. I can hear your heartbeat underneath the quiet sky. Maybe love is only made of moments like these. A little bit of magic and a little bit of peace. I spent so many nights trying to find my way, then you came like a song that I never knew how to play. Now every broken piece is falling into place. Every road I ever walked was leading to your face. Stay until sunrise. Don't say goodbye. Let the stars disappear while your heart is next to mine. Stay until sunrise. Just you and I. If this night is all we have, let me love you one more time. What if the morning comes and takes you far away? What if all these beautiful words are things we couldn't say? Then let me remember the way you say my name, the way your hands find mine, the way you light the flame. I don't need forever, I don't need to know where this love will take us or where tomorrow goes. I only know this moment and the way your heart feels close. So before the